there's a lot here. And one of them is not even a hardcover. We'll talk about it. Okay, so let me pull these out of the bag first. Alrighty. Let's get started with the one that's not a hardcover. And this one, you guys are probably not going to be shocked about. And I was like, well, my partner just bought me the sequel, so might as well read them. And I love YA thriller mysteries. There is something about a YA thriller mystery that's just so fun. Like a adult one just can't compare in these specific like vibes, I guess. And then when I was reading this, it made me want to rewatch One of Us is Lying. There's 2 seasons of it. I think Peacock is gonna stop making it, but they're looking to like take season 3 somewhere else. So I'm like really hoping they do that. I thought that show was so fun and it was really good, and it gave me like early Pretty Little Liars vibes, just in how good and fun the show was. But yeah, it is 4:25, and I need to check off that to do. It was to charge my camera battery. We have a little, what's it called? Grocery order coming from Central. First, let me rephrase. I purchased something. Forever Mood would never. They would never know who I am. But Miss Jackie Ina had these candles up on her website, and I wanted them, but I had not got them, and I could not. Well, okay, I really